how to fix no service on your iPhone 17. So, if your SIM card is not working or you're seeing the no service message, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to solve this. First, go and open up the settings on your phone, turn on the airplane mode. You can then wait around 5 seconds and turn the airplane mode off. Now, click on mobile service. Scroll down to SIMs and select your SIM card. Now, click on network selection and make sure automatic is turned on. Come back over to the previous window and also make sure turn on this LAN is enabled. Now head back over to the previous window, scroll to the top and click on mobile data. Make sure you've selected the correct SIM card for your mobile data plan. Now head back over to the settings window, scroll down to general, scroll down to date and time and click on this and make sure set automatically is turned on and enabled. Now come back over to the previous window, click on general, scroll down to the bottom and select transfer or reset iPhone. Now press reset and click on reset network settings. You will then need to enter your passcode in order to confirm these changes. Once you've done this, you can check to see if you now have signal on your phone. If it's still not working, it's likely an issue with the SIM card. So what you'll need to do is go and remove the SIM tray on the side of your phone. You can then try cleaning the SIM card and placing it back into your phone. Once you've done this, that should have fixed the no service error